Hello, my name is Jasmine and I am your university mentor. I am a second-year university student majoring in sociology. But enough about me. Today is all about you. I am going to talk to you about how to become a competitive applicant when applying for college. I will be giving you important information on the different factors that heavily influence how competitive you are. 3 factors that I will be focusing on today are what kinds of grades a competitive applicant has, information on SAT, ACT exams, and the benefits in getting involved in extracurricular activities in high school. According to the selection process for admission to a 4-year university in California, there are certain factors that influence college admission. Some of these factors can greatly be influenced by participating in extracurricular activities, challenging yourself academically, and being prepared in advance. So what does it take to be a competitive applicant? To be a competitive applicant, you must remember to strive for more than just the minimum GPA, have great grades in your A through G courses in high school, and stellar entrance exam scores required for a university. Other factors that influence your admission to a university are previous volunteer work, employment, award and honors, and extracurricular activities. Academic achievement plays an important role in the admission decision process. Applicants need to go beyond the minimum eligibility requirement to get a higher chance of being admitted. The minimum university requirements are as follows: GPA of 3.0 or better for the University of California and a minimum of 2.0 for the California State Universities. Have taken at least 15 A through G courses completed with the C or better, and have also taken the SAT and ACT exams. However, in order to be competitive, it is recommended to strive for a GPA of 3.5 or better, 20 plus A through G courses completed, and strong SAT, ACT scores. What is the SAT and ACT exams, you may ask? The SAT, ACT exams are exams that test you on different subjects to see how ready you are for college. These exams are required for you to take in order to apply for a 4-year university in California. The SAT measures your skills in critical reading, writing, and mathematics. These 3 areas include reading and responding to passages, short essay responses, and mathematical problems in algebra and statistics. The SAT subjects test is an exam where you get to select a subject of your choice to test your knowledge on this subject. It is not required to take for the University of California students, but it is recommended. To sign up for the SAT and the SAT subjects test, visit the College Board website at www.collegeboard.org. The ACT exam tests you on your English, mathematical, reading, science, and writing skills. This test measures your knowledge and interpretation of what you are required to know about in your senior year and prepare you for college. To sign up for this test, visit the ACT website at www.actstudent.org. Both of these exams may be taken throughout the academic year, so you have time to decide when you want to start. It is recommended to start as early as your junior year in high school to get practice. In order to take these tests, besides the signing up process, you have to pay for them, which is around $50. If you are unable to pay for this fee, you are able to receive a fee waiver, which gives you the opportunity to not pay for your tests by asking your counselors and/or career centers in your high school. Besides looking at your test scores, universities also look for examples of personal achievement via active involvement within the school or community, also known as extracurricular activities. By participating in extracurricular activities, while also demonstrating good grades, demonstrate strong personal qualities that universities attribute to the potential success. Social qualities that universities look at are strong time management skills, strong interpersonal skills, the ability to prioritize, and responsibility. By contributing your time outside of school in your community, it reveals important personal dimension that academic statistics cannot show. Extracurricular activities may include joining clubs and organizations at school, volunteering and taking part in the community, and even sports that are available at your high school. Becoming involved in activities can also allow for career exposure and exploration. Many scholarship agencies seek students that are involved within their community or possess leadership skills. To prove these qualities, scholarship applications will usually ask for a list of extracurricular activities or community service. Therefore, the more involved you become, the more competitive you are for scholarships. To find extracurricular activities or just to get more information on them, you can visit your school's career centers or even ask teachers, counselors, and friends about clubs and organizations they are involved with. Going online or visiting local schools, libraries, recreation centers, and community centers can also help in getting information on community and volunteer work. So remember, to be a competitive applicant and be admitted to a four-year university, you have to 1. Achieve great grades in your classes, especially your A through G courses. 2. Apply and take the SAT and ACT exams. And 3. Get involved with extracurricular activities found at your high school and in your community. So now you know. I am Jasmine, your university mentor, here to let you know university culture is for you.